Good morning from Tokyo, Japan.
Medyo may konting stress lang kami doon.
Magdadalawa talaga kami, medyo mahal na.
Kung Harry Potter fan kayo, sobrang nakakakilig tong...
Parang simula pa lang wow na agad.
Sobrang sulit niya, guys.
What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in Tokyo, Japan.
Tara! Tsabay-tsabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Good morning from Tokyo, Japan.
Okay, today... So today, excited kami kasi mamaya pupunta kami sa Warner Brothers Harry Potter! Yes, pero ngayon magbe-breakfast muna kami. Magde-Denny's na lang ulit kami kasi wala talaga masyadong, well, as a Pinoy na ang hanap talaga big breakfast. Wala kasi masyado silang mga breakfast places dito. So, we're going back to Denny's but we're trying a different branch kasi yung huling Denny's namin, hotel din siya. So, limited din yung mga food niya. So, tara! Tsabay-tsabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Tara na!
We're going to Denny's. So, yung difference ng Denny's nito is mas marami siyang nasa menu kasi nga hindi siya hotel. Pero breakfast pa din. But they have more options compared to the other one. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we're going to another Don Quixote. This is Picasso. It's a smaller version, pero Don Quixote din siya. Let's go. Meron kasi ako hinahanap ang linis ng eyeglasses. Yung kapatid ko nagpapahanap eh. Si Chub Tony naman hinahanap ang Dubai chocolate. And now we're here at Book Off. Second-hand store siya, pero maraming stuff na mabibili. I'm gonna look for a watch for my sister. Okay, medyo fail. Puro books and DVDs. Mga more of like that lang. Itong Book Off na to. Wala siya ng mga clothes or bags. So, now we know na hindi pala lahat ng Book Off meron nun. Nilakad pa namin. CSI, complete collection.
24, meron din.
Yun lang, ang saya lang din tumingin dito. Yung mga DVDs nila, CDs. Game of Thrones. Nice. We're at 7-Eleven. I want a smoothie. I'll get this. Acai. And get Yakult 1000. Okay, let's go. Tony water lang.
Water lang. Cash mo na?
Oo.
Stand.
Then this one. Okay. We get the straw from here. Saka yung cover niya dyan. Okay. Let's get a coffee.
Yummy?
Sarap. We're on our way to Warner Brothers Studios for the making of Harry Potter. We're excited!
Yes, nakatita. Nakanap pa yung mga tita nyo. Ayun, so nakanap yung mga tita nyo. Kaya full of energy today. Pero medyo mahangin.
Ready to go to Hogwarts. So our Harry Potter tickets, we booked through Klook. And if you also want to get a discount, you can book your activities via Klook and use our promo code
Travel Explorers Cloak.
Yeah, para makatipid-tipid. So to get to Warner Brothers Harry Potter, go to Ikebukuro Station ng Seibu Line. Ang cute nga kasi yung station parang merong wallpaper na bricks, mukha na siyang platform 9 and 3/4. Tapos going up the escalator, may mga stars. So tapos may mga sticker sa wall ng parang witch, ganon. 10 minutes pa before the train arrived. So convenience store muna kami, bili lang ng drink. So excited, I have my Hogwarts shirt. Kahit mainit, push natin today. Para feeling ko, magpapalit ako ng t-shirt mamaya. Yan yung mga stars. And may mga stickers sa roof. Ayan o, ang ganda nung walls, tapos pati yung font ng platform, iba. So, dun sa station mismo, you can see there the making of Harry Potter. That's where we're going right now. Let's go! So, ang cute ng station. Meron pang telephone booth. Ayan, may lamppost. So, pinili talaga namin na pumunta ng afternoon. Kasi una, mas mura yung tickets ng 3 p.m. And, parang hindi na ganun kainit din. Yung kanina umaga, may mga nagawa pa kami. Pa kami, book off.
Window shopping.
Kumain kami sa Dennis. Diba?
And may isa pa kasi kaming theme park. So kung magdadalawa talaga kami, medyo mahal na.
Yeah.
So, kailangan namin medyo magtipid.
And sobrang nakakapagod din kasi kung buong araw nandun.
Oo. Alam niyo yung mga tita nyo, kailangan na ng nap at tita rest.
Yes. Let's go.
Tara na!
So there's a digital guide here that you can rent. English is 1,550 yen per person. Diyan.
Looks so free.
And then there's an information counter pagpasok sa right. So they check your bags. As in, titingnan nila yung laman talaga ng bag nyo kasi bawal lang tripod inside. So this is the map of Harry Potter. So there's a food hall, studio shop. So ikotin na natin. Let's go. May tour. O, sama ba tayo doon? O wag?
May tour?
Ewan ko nga eh. So ano to eh? Tara.
Ayan, 3 p.m. Ayan, ano na tayo?
Day 1 of the filming, September 29, 2000. Ang saya! OMG! Sobrang natutuwa! Ang saya talaga! Guys, kung Harry Potter fan kayo, sobrang nakakakilig tong tour na to.
Yes, and medyo maigpit lang sila sa time entry. So, kailangan nyo ipakita na 3 p.m. yung ticket nyo. Kasi hindi kayo
Kung
makakalabas.
3 p.m. kayo, or kung morning naman, kung anong time yung pinili nyo for the tour. Kasi may tour talaga siya. May mga parts na bawal yung video.
Sobrang cool itong tour na to, as in. Parang simula pa lang wow na agad. So kung dito kasi Tokyo, huwag niyo papalampasin itong Harry Potter Studio Tour.
Kung fan kayo ng Harry Potter.
Pero kahit hindi rin, ako nanonood ako pero hindi ako masyadong fan kagaya ni Chab Eka, pero sobrang wow.
The scale model of the Great Hall. Scale model ng inside ng Great Hall. Ang galing. So kung gusto nyo yung experience ng mga photo, you have to connect to their Wi-Fi. So, Warner Brothers public Wi-Fi meron. And then, there's a QR code here. Kailangan yung kuhanan para magawa nyo yung picture sa mga pader. Accept. So, ayan yung QR code. Click nyo yung English. Tapos sa start. Yeah!
Yan. Exit daw, enjoy the portal sa iba. Gallery ahead.
Exit now and find. Saan natin hahanapin? Saan natin hahanapin ng... Tapos kailangan yung hanapin. We're there! Ang cute! Isa pa, yung ilulot natin. Tuntua kami, guys. So, para hindi kayo ma-stress kagaya namin, mag-connect kayo sa Wi-Fi. Yung pala yung ina-explain sa start. Siyempre, di namin naintindihan. And if you have the budget din naman, kunin nyo yung digital tour para may headset kayo na iintindihan nyo. Kasi yun ang mali namin. We didn't get that. And it's too late now. Hindi kami makalabas ulit. So, yun. Pero,
Tsaka puro Japanese kasi lahat ng instructions. May English. Kailangan mo itap yung mga screen para pa mag-English. Tapos, yung first 3 rooms sa papasukin nyo, may mga ina-explain na puro Japanese.
so, yun. Para mas ma-enjoy nyo. Pero, carry din naman. Medyo may konting stress lang kami dun sa mga ibang instructions. Pero, ang saya. Saya pa din, no?
Yes. Sorry ka na.
私がアクションって言ったらこちらのレッドフラッグ見ながら応援お願いします。
Feeling ko ito yung mga mga ginamit sa studio,
Mga props.
mga props na.
Sabi naman kanina, yung ibang actual props. Nandito. Galing. And this is Dumbledore's office. Ang ganda. Are you having fun?
Yes.
This is Arthur Weasley's broom from Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. We're entering the potions classroom. So yeah, if you have your wand, you can do that. And let's go inside the enchanted forest. Galing, oh. Sobrang galing ng mga puno. It's Hagrid! Yes! We're here at the Hagrid's hut! And there's a cafe here. Magli-late lunch muna kami. They have butterbeer. Ayan yung food. And this is the menu. Medyo pricey siya, but sana masarap. Yung total bill namin, 6,180. Dalawang meals and dalawang drinks yung kinuha namin. Thank you. Yung order ni Chaptoni roast beef. New Yorkshire pudding pa. Looks good, no?
Mukhang masarap. So, try na natin.
Kain lang kami. And let's get some butterbeer.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
With the butterbeer, you can take home the cup. Yay! That's why 1,250 kasi pwede mo i-uwi yung cup. She gave me a plastic bag pa for it. Wait, pasok muna tayo sa loob. They have here the giant chess pieces. It's the Hogwarts Bridge.
So, ang swerte-swerte namin today. Kasi nga, on a regular day or on a weekend, punong-puno to ng tao for sure. Yung mga nagpipicture dito. Dito.
Walang tao masyado
So ngayon,
ngayon.
walang stress ang pagpila talaga.
And we're here at number 4 Privet Drive, Harry Potter's house in London. Let's check out the night bus.
Come on, move on, move on, move on.
Sorry. Yay! Aircon na ulit. We're at platform 9, 3/4. Kung walang magpipicture sa inyo, yung staff dito, they offer to take your photo. Maano naman sila. Mabilis sila sa ganyan. There's a souvenir shop. Para mamaya napasok muna tayo sa train. Design and construction. Ganda.
撮影の際にはもってこいでした。
Costume and makeup. Galing. And yung mga sound effects. Ang galing. Ang galing nitong tour na to. We're here at Diagon Alley. Okay, at the end, there's a gift shop. Sobrang daming mga Harry Potter merch. Shirt, payong, mug, dolls. Ang cute! Tumblers. They also have wands. May caps. Daming stuff, no? May mga hoodie. If you wanna know yung hoodies na ganito, 7,300 yen. For a Gryffindor shirt like this, 3,000 yen. Yan. Lahat ng houses, meron siya. May hoodie, may shirt, may iba-ibang merch, may cap. Kung marami kayong dala, meron silang free lockers here. Punta lang kayo sa right side ng entrance. Or you can ask them.
So, done with the tour dito sa Harry Potter Studio. So, 4 hours ang inabot. So, 4 hours talaga.
Sobrang sulit niya, guys.
Yes.
Huwag niyo to i-miss. Yun nga, sabi nga ni Chap Tony kanina, kahit hindi kayo Potterhead, this is a super nice tour. Kasi hindi lang yung Harry Potter mismo, it's the making of the film talaga eh. Kasama yung sound, costume, props, even yung pag-build nila nung mga set. Oo. Ang ganda,
Sobrang
very...
sulit. Medyo pricey nga lang yung pagkain sa loob, pero masarap naman siya.
Oo, very educational din siya talaga. And sobrang feast for your eyes, for your experience.
So, pasok ba to sa banga, Chab Eka?
This is definitely pasok!
Chabanga! Ding, 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 ding.
Kain kami here sa isang local sushi place. Ito lang siya sa may hotel malapit. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. So, lalagyan mo to. Ito. Ito na yung food namin. Medyo nakakahiya lang mag-ingay.
Finally, nakakain din kami dito sa inaay namin na sushi place.
Sobrang sarap.
As in,
Tapos ang cute ng mga lolo
Mga
na
lolo.
gumagawa ng sushi. Ang hirap lang mag-film kasi nakakahiya. Tapos tahimik lang sila dun sa buong restaurant. Pero yung kinain namin, siguro tig-5 plates din kami or tig-6.
tig-anim.
4,092 yen. Not bad.
Not bad, pero sobrang sarap ng sushi nila. Level up.
As in, grabe. This is definitely pasok!
Chabanga! Ding, 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 ding.
Tapos din, ang aming araw, napakahaba.
Yeah, so we started the day with breakfast at Denny's.
Again.
Then, umuwi kami ng hotel, nagpahinga. And after ng pahinga, tita nap, tumuloy na kami pumunta na kami sa Harry Potter Studios tour.
Yes, and I think it's a really good decision that we took the afternoon tour instead of yung morning kasi matatapos nyo naman yung buong tour basta na dumating kayo on time and hindi na masyado mainit in the afternoon.
Yes, kasi alam nyo naman summer ngayon dito sa Japan. So pag tanghali, sobrang init na. So hindi pa ganong kainit kagaya ng Fukuoka namin pero eto na, nag-start na siya. So ayun.
And konti na yung tao paghapon. Plus, we did it on a Monday. So talagang we were able to get a lot of photos. Na-enjoy talaga namin bawat corner ng Harry Potter. And if you're a Potterhead, sobrang ma-enjoy mo to. But if you're not a Potterhead, you're still gonna enjoy this tour. So, again, nakuha namin to sa Klook. The link is down in the description box. And if you also want to get a discount on your booking, you can use our promo code
Chab Explorers Cloak.
para makatipid-tipid.
Yes, and after Harry Potter tour namin, nag-sushi kami malapit dito sa hotel. And ayun, sobrang sarap ng sushi. Ayun.
Local restaurant siya. So, as in, wala nga marunong mag-English eh. Pero meron silang English menu. Pero ang sobrang sarap talaga. As
Ayun.
in.
And mga lolo yung gumagawa ng sushi. So, ano siya, parang sushi bar.
Yes.
So, nasa gitna yung mga lolo, 3 sila, and then o-order ka. So, hindi namin ako parang umorder kasi yung slip niya is Japanese din.
Oo.
Buti na lang yung sa cashier, siguro nakakaintindi, lumapit sa amin, tinuturo namin kung anong gusto namin i-orderin.
So, parang siya na yung umorder para sa amin. Kasi yung ibang customers nga, sinusulat nila yung order nila.
So, medyo pricey yung sushi, pero masarap naman.
Worth it.
Yes, bawi sa presyo niya. Kasi, kung i-compare mo sa convenience store, medyo malayo yung presyo niya. Kasi sa convenience store, sa 1,000 yen, marami ka na mabibili. Dito, 4,000, kokonti siya.
Yes.
Pero masarap.
Yeah. So, we hope you enjoyed this video just as much as we had fun making it.
And if you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!